We're back with the finished look. How do you guys think it turned out? This is my take on the affordable peach glam. Are you ready to get ready? So I saw the Too Faced peach collection and I thought, why don't we do it a peach glam on a budget? I was at $1.25 Tree and I saw that they have foundations. So I picked up 3 of them and I think none of them are my shade. So for $1.25, I had to try. So this is for science. Let's start with some grippy primer first. And I also have on this Cocoa Kind Lip Blur Balm. The primer I have is Wet n Wild Clingy Serum Primer. Gotta give this foundation a shot on longevity. It's for science. My face always gets so red when I rub things into it. We'll see how full coverage it is. All right, which shade? I'm just gonna go with the lightest one and hopefully we can darken it with bronzer. That's the plan, Stan. Today is Friday. Thank God we made it to the weekend. The smell on this is weird. And I know it's not a good color match. We will fix this. The smell is like baby powder or shower fresh deodorant. I had my mom smell it and she was like, this is what it used to smell like. I'm like, I'm happy those days are over. That was one full pump. And you actually get more than an ounce in this. So that's funny to me that the dollar store can give you more than an ounce of foundation, but everything else is getting smaller. Honestly, it's not that bad of a match. It's definitely not matte. It's described as a matte foundation. I would say it is not. We're going to be using the ColourPop Baby Got Peach palette for our peach glam. So this is the vibe for today. And we also have the Cream Blush Light by Melt in Golden Hour. Peachy vibes. Let's do bronzer first though. I think this is actually the NYX contour stick that I just put in a different container. So a little bit more cool tone, but it'll do. I'm not a contouring expert. I think the sheerness of this foundation is helping too, even though it's a little light for me. And the smell is seeming to dissipate, so. Doing good. I'm gonna set it with some powder bronzer. This is CoverGirl Skin Enhancer 300 Honey Bun. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush for this. Like that. And I accidentally used my blush brush for the bronzer. e.l.f. liquid blush brush. It's really densely packed. And I just washed all my makeup brushes, so if you want to go watch that video too. I got an automatic brush cleaner, so that was cool. I usually just go in with this with my fingers. The Golden Hour Melt Blush. This summer is like the first time I've really gotten into the peachy colors, and this was like $4 at either Marshall's or TJ Maxx, so keep a lookout. Doesn't have to break the bank. Very summery, very glowy. Let's do eyebrows next. I just wax them. This is what I use if you're interested. Beauty 7 eyebrow wax strip kit, and it's like in the shape of eyebrows, so it makes it way easier. And I think this was like $10 around there, and that's way cheaper. You get 24 strips, so $10 for getting your eyebrows done 24 times. Definitely worth it. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's do eyebrows. I'm just gonna do e.l.f. Wow Brow. This is the CoverGirl Nano Brow in blonde. 6 hours later. Just gonna go in any sparse areas. I like the Wow Brow because it's kind of just like a one-step thing. And it just broke off again. I swear every time I use this it breaks off. Yeah, I would not repurchase this. I cannot do my eyebrows without the tip breaking off. Time for eyeshadow. Clean brushes, always the best. We're going to go in with, oh, that's fun. And it's this orange one right here. Ooh, maybe we should put some concealer down. I forgot to do concealer under my eyes too. And we'll do our eyeshadow first. The order of my makeup has been so chaotic lately. Out of practice, I guess. I just could not be bothered to wake up any earlier to do my makeup before work. Oh my, this is powdery. Just blowing off the excess. And she is so orange. This might be a little bit oranger than I wanted, but the name was Ochre, so I had to use it. Just trying to even these sides out now. Sisters, not twins. These might be cousins. These might be neighbors at this point, but we're trying. I think I want a little bit more pinker, so I'm gonna go in with centerfold for more of the outer V. I'm gonna get a flat brush, just pack some more of this on there. A little bit pinker. Now I want more orange. You know how it goes. And we're gonna do the shimmer Get Even. I feel like these could be shimmery. One thing about this palette is it is pretty one note. All you're gonna get is peach looks from it, but that is the trend. Trend of the day. Then we're gonna go into this other shimmer, Glaze It. Just a darker one. It's looking like. I think we do need some more powder up in here. I'm gonna use this gel Magic Shine Eraser Gel to Power Mattifying by Catrice. It's supposed to be like a powder without being a powder. I feel like I am less shiny, so it's doing something. Of what, we'll never know. Trying to go around the blush. I think it made me a little less dewy. Nothing crazy, but it does not feel like a powder, which is nice. I do have this under eye brightener by Catrice. Go in with that first. It's gonna clean up the eyeshadow. Oof. Just blend that out. I have the House Labs concealer. I feel like that color corrector did most of the work. I probably would get a deeper shade. This is 04. And I was more into a bright under eye, but now I just want something closer to my skin tone. So the next time I buy concealer, I gotta keep that in mind. On camera, the transition is so stark, but I swear in real life, I don't look that crazy. But if your makeup ever looks like that, you can just take a fluffier brush and just go over it. Look at the difference. Eyeliner, no eyeliner, that is the question. We are gonna do some highlighter. Just a little of this L'Oreal Lumi Lait Glass in Glassy Pearl Eclat. Look at that shine. My hair is crazy. Just air drying today. I'm gonna tight line with this Wet n Wild Kohl crayon, pencil, whatever. As much of my watery eyes will take. Just wiped off that Cocoa Kind lip balm. We're gonna go in with this NYX lip liner in Cocoa. I think all of my go-to lip colors are all in my purse. You know how that is. So we're gonna mix a few. This is Revlon Colorstay Matte Crayon in 3 Souffle All Day. She did. A little darker than I wanted. I think I'm gonna wipe that off. Round 2, going back in with Souffle All Day. And to keep it monochromatic, let's see, maybe this blush will work for our purposes. frosty. That is not the vibe either. Maybe it's not that bad. I'm gonna do some mascara and I'll come right back. We're back with the finished look. How do you guys think it turned out? This is my take on the Affordable Peach Glam. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.